Another day on in lockdown. Gorgeous day. Just been up this morning, done me watering. My sweet corn's gone in. I planted that. The potatoes are doing really well. Nature's doing really well, and I'm doing well as well. It's stunning now. Been up since about 6 o'clock. Just been pottering around doing bits and pieces. Done another, carved another bonsai bowl. So that's gone well. So I've got a few of them on the go now. But yeah, sweet corn's gone in, so that's a real long-term veg. So whether I'll be here to harvest that, I don't know. But no, camp's looking nice. This is bushworkers made a couple of little tables. One over near the hammock, and the ones that you see in the previous video under the lean-to. So she's been busy doing a bit of cooking and stuff. I'll have to show you the cooking. I haven't showed a great deal of it because it's mainly, you know, pastas and rices and tinned meats and things like that. Nothing really extravagant what you used to seeing me cook. So yeah, no, it's been thoroughly enjoyable. And you know, I hope you guys are all keeping well. I hope you're keeping busy and occupying yourselves and trying to get out as much as you can. I know a few of my messages, a few people are planning on going out, bought some gear, planning on doing long-term camp outs during this lockdown. So good luck to you guys. You know, I hope it all goes well for you, and I hope you really enjoy yourselves, you know, as much as I am up here. You know, I hope you have a great bit of fun and learn a lot of new things, new skills and things about yourself. So good luck to you. So I'll show you around the camp if some of you are new to my channel. So that's my little bonsai collection. I'm hoping to add a few more to them as the time goes on. And then to the left is my hammock setup. I've done a couple of nights in there already. And then my bedding's hung out. I tend to wear that every day. And then the Oz tent and the outdoor cooker. And then, like I said, if you're new to the channel, that's all the kitchen stores. That's all Mrs. Bushwhacker's kind of domain. She loves it in there. She's been rustling up a few nice meals and obviously cooking around the fire. So that's that. And then she's decided to put her tent outside. So we kind of got his and hers tents, but we tend to use the Arctic tent to sit in the day, or you know, in an evening, and then we both go to bed. So we're kind of separate sleeping, although she did have that tent inside the Arctic, but as it's getting a bit warmer now, she's gone outside. So we've had a bit of a rearrange in here now. This is huge in here now. So I've got my bed over the back, and then a nice lounging chair, and the dog's bed, clothes bag over in the corner, all my tools and odds and ends under the bed, and coats hanging up, and then that huge area over there, that's where my chair goes. It's outside at the moment, and then my charging station, all my power leads and carving tools, and this and in that area over there, and then my crossbow and my 2.2 air rifle. So that's it's very spacious. Like I said, we both kind of sit in here, and it gives us loads more space in the evenings. The wood burner sits there. I haven't had that on for a while. So Mrs. Bushwhacker, if it's a cold evening, will sit on that chair and she'll be next to the fire. And then we made a bit of a scarecrow. I'm trying to think of a name really, if any of you guys can think of a name. I think it looks quite female, so maybe a female name. So I don't think many males would be dressing like that and standing like that. Might just call it Sheila. And then wood stores, that's mainly all the bits on there for starting fires, and the Kelly kettle. The Kelly kettle's been absolutely brilliant. Many a brew and hot water bottle in the early days. And then the lean-to, same as per normal if you've seen it before, but if you haven't, frying pans, there's my bow up there, nice seating area. Then the barrel stove, that's out here now. I tend to cook out in the open because it's too warm under that lean-to. And then my vegetable stores, vegetable patch should I say, not stores. As you can see, it's all coming on nicely from when I planted it out in the beginning. It's slowly getting there. And the black currants, I think we're going to get a bit of a crop on them as well. So a nice bit of blossom come out on there. And the other day we knocked up a nice swing. So that's another new addition, that's lovely. So this is a great addition to the camp. Sitting here, swinging around. Brings back my childhood. You sit here and you tend to think of the old days. All the fun you used to have on a swing. How simple, but how enjoyable. So we put that up a couple of days ago. Put this up a couple of days ago, so look at that, the technique, I hadn't lost it. Bushwhacker swings again. So this is the enjoyable parts of the camp, bit of archery, and over there in the distance is for the crossbow. Got a nice padded bag for that, and we've got a few little pistols that we put some Coke cans on that little table. So we've had some great fun. I've got a Coke can hanging up in the tree. So yeah, great place to practice or hone your skills. You know, rifle, crossbow, archery. Like I said in my previous videos, I need to set up a slingshot really. I need to get good on the slingshot. The bees are busy. Nature is in full flurry. And there's my wood store. So that's done quite well. That's one whole dead standing tree. That's lasted 2 months now, that has. With, you know, quite a few fires. That's done really well. But as you can see, the camp is looking good. And there's my solar panel there charging my power oak power bank. 5 hours of direct sunlight charges that 1200 milliamp power pack to full. So what a lovely home, eh? Another gorgeous day. What a lovely spring evening walk. Enjoying the bluebells. The fragrance is something else. So there's a small window to enjoy the bluebells. I thought I'd bring you along. Louise is with me as well, so gorgeous time of year. Can't beat spring.